Hey everybody, welcome back. Another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. Why not? I'll throw a double at you because I'm doing double. So, I'm setting up over here. Get a little carb people. I don't like carburetors that have something against carburation. Going to do a breadless fried chicken. Try to do something similar. I've seen Matty Matheson do it on his channel. And we're going to try to do it here. A good fried chicken recipe, not boneless, flourless, no breading. So what I got the stove turned up medium high on 8. I got a pan heating up here. I got some olive oil here. I'm going to put it in the pan here. Right up in here. Like so. Good enough where Chicky can sit in it. So about like that should work. Use it quite a bit. That's fine. We'll let that heat up a little bit. And we'll plop some chicken right in here. Skin on. Skin on. You can do it skin off, doing it skin on. Right in here. Medium high. I got it up to 8. I may have to adjust down or something, but I know 8 boils of water without boiling over, so that's pretty hot. So I'll see you back here in just a couple of seconds. I'll show you a trick. I need this. Okay, folks, we're back. See what you do? You tell when your oil's ready to go in the pan. Put a wooden spoon in here. You see the little bubbles like that? See the little bubbles? It's ready to fry. So there's your trick for the day. Now we're going to take these pieces of chicken. The mama's chicken, bye. And these are going to go in Mr. Skillet right top. That's going to splatter all over the place. I'm turning the heat down. Wow, that's going to go everywhere. Woohoo! Everywhere. Here we go. Back down, you bastard. Alright, back on the heat to go. Okay, get a splatter guard. I turned the heat down to 7. We'll take it at 7. It's going to splatter anyway, anytime you put a chicken in a skillet, but that's fine. We got damage control going here. It didn't get everywhere. If you got one of these little screen things, use it. It's really cool. Okay, now we're just going to fry these up, golden brown, nice on each side until they come up to 165 degrees, and I'll show you the rest. As you can see here, I'm kind of flipping these around as they go, just to get all the sides done. Kind of flipping them around, trying to get them to stand up on either side, like that. Okay, so I'm doing that. Kind of flipping them around a little bit every now and then, get all the sides browned up and cooked. Yes. And that's what I always cook. Just waiting for them to get all the way cooked through. Nice and golden brown, crispy skin. So I'll see you when those are ready and they temp out at 165. Okay, folks, right out of the skillet. As soon as they come out of the skillet, you want to hit them with your seasonings like this. See? Hit them up with your seasonings. Flip them over. Same on the other sides. That way the seasonings will kind of stick on there, on the grease and the oil. A little bit there. A little more on this guy. A little bit more on this guy on this side. There you go. Boom. Yeah. There you go. And come here. Take a look at that. How about you with that? No breaded fried chicken. And that way your seasonings will stick to it because it's right out of the grease. Let these bad boys drain for just a little bit. And they're good to go. So, yeah, there's another one for you. For Hands On with BLG. And the grease all over my camera. I am BLG. I am Lefty. I am Righty. And hope you enjoyed the episode. Oh, I just mixed the seasonings. Garlic, salt, garlic powder, salt, onion powder, and pepper. I had this extra container here. I just mixed them in there and relabeled it with a marker. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the episode. Try this stuff out. If you can't have breaded chicken, try it. Should be good stuff. So, we'll see you guys back here next exciting episode. Bye, everybody. Carl, get out of the garbage. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around